you guys, like literally everywhere. Me and my cousin were like, we didn't vlog, really nothing, but it's like it gets really good because a lot of stuff happened and it was really fun. Okay, anyways, I'll just add clips from Snapchat because I have a lot of stuff from Snap. So yeah, if you want to watch it, then go ahead and watch it. If you don't, then bitch, bye. Okay, bye.
So we're in Harvard right now. Hang on.
Hey y'all.
You guys like my?
So we're together
Yeah,
now.
we're not together.
Well, no, like I told them that we weren't
Guys,
together.
yeah.
Wait, the phone case is a flip. We're here. You guys, we didn't vlog in the morning because we're like so tired. We didn't even sleep. You guys, so we have to stay on a boat for a certain amount of time for like a whole bunch of hours and shit. And then I told Jade, where are we gonna shit out of the lake?
Guys, so what's up? It's Jade. I'm obsessed with my ex that doesn't like me back. I told him that I loved him yesterday and he just said okay.
Take me home, mate, on a walk.
Take my own on a walk.
We're really bored. Okay, I'm gonna go back because it's on my music. Be back. So basically in this whole clip, I was just in the car waiting for 3 hours to get our dumbass cabin. And yeah, so yeah. Okay, you guys, so this happened today. I'm dead, but here's our cabin. Whatever. So okay, bye. In that clip, my cousin was like backing out or whatever. And like this trailer, big ass truck thing did not want to stop or did not stop going, and she backed right into that dumb shit. Twerk.
It's
bitch.
9.
Can you hurry up? We're gonna get kicked out of this resort. You guys are gonna get kicked out because Jade is the loudest person ever. So we got in trouble, and I'm gonna insert the clip right now.
As people go out onto this roof, huge safety concern. These are not weight rated for people. So do not let that happen again.
Okay, I didn't know it was like that.
Yeah. I was just driving by and I saw someone up there, so keep an eye on it.
Okay.
I don't want to have to charge you, but it's a whole legal thing.
Sure. Thank you.
That's kind of just talked about the parking.
We basically got in trouble because we like climbed out the window and we're like on, I don't know, this like rooftop. It was like a 2-story cabin or whatever. And we're on the theme, right? And like we got caught being up there and like the people came. We got in trouble. So that was the video. But my hand's going crazy right now.
Some guys are like that there, that's why.
That's embarrassing.
No, it's so embarrassing. You guys, we were out that window, right? And then we seen the go-kart pass by, and I see the go-kart start stopping, and I go like that, flying out the window.
He goes, no.
He said that?
He went, no. That guy, he stopped and said, no. Matthew flew back.
That is a loss up there with Matthew and Jade.
Matthew flew back.
I told her there was cars
Last
coming. She's
time when me and Janice were up there, they didn't say anything. They looked at us and they just like, they didn't care.
That's scary.
Yeah, they looked at us and they didn't care what me and Janice did.
Bitch, I have a sunburn.
Fucking bitch. Oh,
Jade did that, you guys.
my favorite ones.
Bitch, I bought those.
I paid you, bitch.
No, you didn't. Yeah, bro. Me? It was short as fuck. I barely noticed that. Anyways, so yeah, that all happened. And then like, what else? Nothing really else happened. We just went home the next day. Me and Drew were like, we're over this. We just want to go home. So we went home early with our cousin and like, yeah. And that's the end of the video. Peace out. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do.